Hello.
Aloha.
We just woke up. No, we woke up at 5 a.m. to the sound of the tornado alarm going off.
That was wild.
Like, I had not heard it before, so to me, I was like, and you know what's wild? That we were talking about it literally before we went to sleep, and you're like, what is the chances that, like, it happens? Like,
yeah, I was like, what if we, like, have it today? Like, I'm here now.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, we're just, like, going to the hallway, because, like, that's their thingy. Well, it went off at 5 a.m. And when it went off, I was, like, confused as to what it was. But I was half asleep, so right now that I'm awake, it makes sense. It is the tornado alarm. They're like, okay.
Oh, also, they were really strong. Yesterday, when we were filming this one bit, the wind was like, like really freaking loud. I was like, whoa, that don't happen in Houston.
You'll recognize the street.
This street?
Yeah.
Why?
I always vlog this street.
You always vlog this street?
On my way to Walmart.
Yeah. Also, you guys, okay, so like, you guys know that these vlogs are like for mainly both of us. But we do things for you guys because we want you guys to see it too. I recognize things from the vlogs. Like, I was like, oh, this is this place. And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, I know. Because, like, I watched the vlog.
Do you recognize these places?
But yeah, it's great. I don't know. I guess, like, it was, like, the moment where I was like, these vlogs are paying off. This is dope. Mm-hmm. So we planned to come to the water park, but like it's seems closed. Like there's no water. But we've called.
And they said they're open.
Yeah, we've called twice. We called yesterday and then we called today because we came today and it looked closed. And so we called and they're like, yeah. What'd you say? The sun is. What'd you say?
The rain is gone. The sun. No, the sky is blue. The sun is out.
Yeah, she said the sky is blue. The sun is out. We're open. I was like, all right, lit. We went a nice slogan, but it's closed. Like I don't know.
Where even is the entrance?
Oh, look at the sky. It looks beautiful. Wow.
That's so nice. Okay,
so we're walking in. I told you, like, vlogging gives me security. I feel like I'm talking to, like, more people than there actually is.
The park's not empty. They're there.
They're right here. You're right there. The park's not empty. So, oh my God, I'm so scared. Like, I'm so freaking nervous because, like, I don't want to look like a dumb person coming to a whole water park and there's, like, nobody here. Punto y aparte, everybody. That was a fail. That was a whole fail. Y'all know how we were saying how it was empty? Well, because it was closed. Because we called them and they kept saying it was open.
Yeah.
But
we didn't realize that the same people that work at the Hurricane Harbor also work at Six Flags, like the roller coasters.
Amusement park. And so they're like, oh no, like the water park is closed. And like we knew that, right? Like, but it was such a nice day today. We're like, maybe they open. I don't know. Also, there's another water park actually open, but it's sold out. So we thought, oh, okay, well, cool. Well, I guess no water park until the summer. But we're going to go to the mall now, and we're going to go get some stuff. We need to film a video for you guys. So yeah, we're going to do that today. And we got ready so that we can be semi-ready for what we're doing later.
Oh, yeah. Later's going to be fun.
Later's going to be fun. You want to tell me what we're going to do later?
We're going to like a fancy dinner. We're going to get dressed up. Yes.
We're going to get all fancy. And we're going to go have a dinner date. Because we usually do dinner dates. But, well, no, but we usually do dinner dates. So might as well do one here.
Oh, it's just okay.
So yeah, it's going to be good. I went to the mall. I found a little monito. I bought him at this other store, but I wanted to bring him with me, so now he's with me.
I want this jacket.
The jacket? You know what I say?
got a job interview at 10, but you gotta work out at 11. Maybe because she was gone. Okay. Okay, open your eyes and I'll read this. I said maybe because she was gone.
I love you. I like it.
So, we just came from the mall and we have the stuff we bought. It's like, we try to go to the stores that weren't originally in Houston.
Yeah. Should I start? Okay, so I have a lot of things. So I bought chopsticks finally. They were what, $150? $150. They were $1.50. They have little owls. I don't know if you can see it, but they have little owls.
I also got some for my brother because he likes them. So she's gonna take them to my brother back home. If you're watching this, hi Chris. Hope you like them.
Hey Chris, if you don't like them, give them to me. Okay. Next thing I bought at Daiso, I'm gonna open it because I'm gonna sleep in it tonight. I got this little sleeping mask. I've been wanting a sleep mask for forever.
It's so cute.
And it's so cute. It's like a little bunny. Like, look. So cute. I'm gonna sleep like this.
Your eyes are right here.
Oh. I'm gonna sleep like this.
That's cute.
So yeah, I don't know. It was kind of cute to me.
So she's never had this. I don't know if you play with this when you were growing up. You know those bubbles that you make that you can blow up and they don't pop? Well, they do pop, but it's
We
like...
should do that now.
We should? Okay, we'll do it now.
While she does that, I bought one last thing at Daiso, and it was this. So I like the having little like teddy bears and stuffies for like memories, and like this was going to be a memory to remember. It was a great time, and I'll tell you guys a story of how we named him because we were having a really hard time.
What's it about?
We were having a really hard time naming him.
We thought it would come to us during the mall,
but it didn't. So I'll tell you guys how I named him in a bit. It's a little story time.
So you just are like... No.
You know which one it is?
Yeah, here it is.
You can play with it?
Yeah. Oh, the AC's on, so it's pushing it.
Oh, I think I did it right.
No, you put it. Let's do it. Look, let's get in. Okay. Once it blows, be careful. Might just pinch it and shut it. No, you can let it go. Just.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's so fun!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Ah!
Oh, he's flaccid.
He's pretty flaccid.
And it's voluptuous. Dude, everything's so pretty. It's the same shape.
Wow!
It's
It's
like
so
a
hard.
heart.
No, okay.
No, it's kind of attachment. I want to pop it.
Oh god, do it. Ooh! Oh. Right, next, we went to Forever 21.
There was
And-
these really cute jackets. And we were gonna get them matching, and they were $10. Like on the rack, it said $10.
It said now $10.
Yeah. Because they were originally 30,
Yeah.
and I went to pay, and they were still 30.
Anyways, I found this at Forever 21. It's this. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see it because like it's really long. But like it's this like summer dress.
Oh, by the way, there is a Forever 21 in Houston. We just decided to go there because it's like a thing you have to go.
I wanted to. It was like it's really long. Like look how long it is.
And it has one slit.
And it has one slit on one side, and it's the cutest thing. Like
It's
the
so
slit.
nice. It fits her so nice.
It's so pretty. It makes me look cute, and like I'm probably gonna wear it later on someday.
Easter or something.
Yeah, for Easter probably, but real cute. Forever 21.
Okay, I guess I'll do my next item.
Yes.
So we went to this one store called Q,
Cute.
and I've been wanting some like thick, like heel, chunky heels. Ta-da! They're so cute to me.
They're real cute. Like they look so cute on her.
They're like not tall but not short. I like them.
Yeah, that's perfect for us because we're kind of like on that average tall height.
Yeah, so it's kind of like. This.
Yeah. Oh, at the same store, I got this dress, and it's heckin' cute. It's like this.
It's so
Can you
cute.
see it? Like it's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It like makes it look like I have like a figure, which I don't,
A
but like
circle.
it's cool. Yeah, that's my figure. But yeah, it's like off the shoulder. One thing I have to buy are some white bands. Daniel, back because I keep trying to wear things like this casually, but I can't because
You just have tennis shoes.
I only have tennis shoes. I'm a tennis shoes type of girl. You know, I prefer comfort over
She wears high
fashion.
heels. I wear sneakers.
Exactly.
She's
Hello.
your captain, and I'm on the bleachers.
Anyways, I need to get some white man's tip.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Story
So on the drive
time.
home, we were like, I can't believe like we haven't thought of a name. It hasn't come to us.
Yeah.
This and that. No, we were driving. No, I was driving. Right. We're literally right this. We're in the car. Imagine it. And then I see a car pull up, and then I see the way they have. And I'm like, oh, does it want to come in front of us?
Yeah.
And then you were like, no.
They're giving
They're
you
giving
their
us a
number.
number. I was like, oh. And I just kind of like stay behind, like this is us, that's them. And then the guy keeps like putting his hand down, like, and I'm like, oh, he wants me to go in front. And she's like, you should go. And I was like, should I? She's like, you should go. And I was like, should I? So I kind of like pulled up, right? And then he had to get close, so I got to go close. And then I got the number. And then, where is it? Okay, so I had it right here. I won't show up because then look at it. Just kidding. Because then you'll see the number. So I'm guessing his name is Joshua, and he has a dentist appointment. A man with good hygiene. Check. With good teeth. The funny thing is that I was like, what does that say? Like I kept looking at it. I was like, it says Joshua right there, right? And then I turn around, it's his phone number and his name, but it says Joshua Poo. And
Joshy Poo.
Joshy Poo?
Joshy Poo.
Joshy Poo.
Joshy
And we were laughing and laughing. And then I pull up to my parking lot. And then I'm like, wait, is that his name? And then that's how his name came.
Joshy Poo. So now I have a name for my little bear. And his name is Joshy Poo. Yeah, Joshy Poo.
There he is.
There he is. Date time! Date time! We're on our way. We were gonna go eat at this one place, but then we were like, you know what? Let's just get dressed up and go to Olive Garden because we want
free
breadsticks. So we gonna go get some breadsticks and
know-
some salad.
Yeah. Ooh, that salad.
Mm-hmm.
Like the vinegar that it has.
Yes.
Oh.
Ooh. And she's like, how much cheese you want? I'm gonna just pile
All
it
the
on.
cheese.
Pile it on, sis.
You don't even have to grate it. Just give me the cheese block.
Honestly.
Just leave the grater here, you know?
Yeah. Hey, let's hope my
That would
girlfriend.
be
Let's hope my
great.
girlfriend from Houston comes over here. Let's hope she's here.
Anna
Anna, yo. So I remember my girlfriend Anna
at Olive Garden.
at Olive Garden. She was hitting on me because it was my birthday. Well, it was her birthday. It wasn't this my birthday. It was my actual birthday. It was lit. It was lit. She gave us a spiked drink. Thanks, Anna. Look at my date, you guys. Look at my whole date. Ooh, look at my whole date. Look at her with her new heels or whatever. Okay, B. F it up, my best friend. Yes. Yes.
No. We just demolished the salad and the breadsticks. Send help. Meal number 1. Meal number 2. Meal number 3.
My dessert. Her dessert. We're back from the date. Hey yo, some up with Arlington guys.
Oh yeah.
Some really up with Arlington guys, bro. They're really out here hitting on every single inch of us, which is nice.
But in a nice way.
In a very
Yeah.
polite cowboy
In
way.
Houston, it's like, hey.
Yeah, hey. No, yeah, they're not doing that here. I
They're
don't
like, hey,
know,
you're
man.
right.
Arlington kind of working for me. We were dining at Olive Garden, where we decided not to go to a fancy place because we wanted breadsticks. And everyone was like, why y'all dressed up? Olive Garden is not that fancy. And so like everyone kept, also, Aaron, our waiter, super sweet guy.
He's
Super
so
nice.
sweet.
He was like making sure that everything was nice. He's literally me as a waitress. Like he messed up so many times and he was like, I'm sorry. But it was great. Anyways, this last guy, he was real cute.
He was the waitress at the table next to us.
He was a waiter. Yeah, he was a waiter for
Oh yeah, waiter.
But whatever.
I made eye contact with him like a good 3 times.
Yeah. He was like, why are you guys dressed up? And then she looked at me and I was like, oh yeah, it's her birthday. And then he was like, oh, okay.
It's not my birthday.
I just want to let you, yeah, it's not her birthday. He's like, I just want to let you guys know that you guys look really nice today. I'm just like, thanks. You should see me every other day. Okay, no. No, but.
Wanna make this a daily thing?
But, it's really weird. Like, people, I told her earlier today, I'm like, I understand the whole thing of like going to a whole new city and starting over, because you get confidence going to a new city.
Nobody knows you. Like,
nobody knows
you. can
you.
go like without like brushing your hair or anything to like any place, and nobody knows you.
You have that in your head where like, yeah, they might judge you, but you don't care because they don't know you.
Yeah.
It's great. I don't know. I kind of like it.
Well, like back home, it's like, oh yeah, I had her in my 3rd grade class, and she was my neighbor's sister's
exactly brother. So it becomes this weird, like, oh my god, Giselle like saw me today.
Yeah. Oh my god,
like,
I saw my ex-neighbor's
dog's
friend. Yeah. He saw me, and I was like,
ugly. Yeah. It's concept. It's a whole concept. But yeah, dinner was great. It was successful, and we're gonna head home and watch a movie now.